Creating a shutdown button for your laptop or PC is a quick and easy way to power down your device with a single click. Follow these steps to set up a shutdown shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on the desktop, select New, and then Shortcut. In the location field, type Slide to Shutdown and click Next. Name the shortcut, Slide to Shutdown, and click Finish. Customize the icon by right-clicking the shortcut, selecting Properties, then Change Icon, and choosing your preferred icon. Hope you liked the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more videos.